Reality check, reality check, reality check. Check in, man, check in. Anyway, a very good friend of mine sent me this clip. And the Guyanese can now travel to the United Kingdom visa free. That's what I mean. So, I'm going to make you hear the British High Commissioner to Guyana, Jane Miller, on this little clip here.
Today is a historic day for the UK-Guyana relations, and I'm delighted to inform you that as of the 9th of November, those with a valid Guyanese passport can visit the UK visa-free. Since the day I arrived 15 months ago, people have spoken to me about issues involving visas. President Ali, when he was in the UK earlier this year, raised this with Prime Minister Boris Johnson. But people from the private sector, from civil society, from the media, many of you have talked to me about those visas. So it's a real pleasure to deliver this news today. And this visa lift is a real sign of the confidence that the UK has in the growth of our relationship.
So guys, that was the British High Commissioner to Guyana, Jane Miller. You understand? The Guyanese people must be overwhelmed to get a news like that. That the only thing you need now is your passport. And somebody for receive you. And get rich, here I come. Heathrow, here I come. You see what I mean? But anyway, we're going to go into what this High Commissioner Jane Miller have to say. And this is her words. She said, today is a historic day for the UK-Guyana relation. And I am delighted to inform you, as of the 9th of November, those with a valid Guyanese passport can now visit the UK visa-free. And she goes on. She says, since the day I arrived 15 months ago, people have spoken to me about this issue involved in visa. So she going to go on now and talk about some representative from the Guyana who was in British earlier this year. And she said, when President Ali was in the United Kingdom earlier this year, he raised this issue with Prime Minister Boris Johnson. Right? She goes on and she says, people in the private sector, civil society, and the media also have a big concern about this visa issue as well. But she says, I'm pleased, I'm delighted to inform you that this is a real sign of confidence between UK and Guyana relationship. See, this is a real sign of confidence between UK and Guyana relationship. So UK and Guyana work out something. Is that what I mean? So the Guyana people can be rejoicing right now, knowing that strain if you come up with money if you go apply for visa what you must get. See, and try to go to the United Kingdom. That all gone. All the Guyanese need now my passport, a plane ticket, and somebody on the other side to receive me. You see what I mean? But now you have to ask, who is speaking on behalf of the Jamaican people? Because knowing that, our Prime Minister just recently, when the Queen passed off, seen was trying to get Jamaica to mourn like a week and had for the Queen. Seen and knowing that shortly after, he and his entourage attend the funeral of the Queen. Seen and a few weeks after, seen the British High Commissioner to Guyana bring this news to the Guyanese people. So it was rapidly after the Queen's funeral, this breaking news take place. And remember, we see our Prime Minister meet the King. Our Prime Minister, who went want we fi mourn mostly over a week and had, go meet the King. But on the other hand, is Guyana, who immediately after that get the green light now where they can travel to the United Kingdom without visa. Knowing that, when the Queen, before she passed, her grandson, them a come here, a Jamaica have to foot the bill. When she used to come here, a Jamaica have to foot the bill. No, when the King ready to come now, is Jamaica also going to have to foot that bill. So what are Jamaicans getting out of this lobby-dobby relationship with Britain? One have to ask, what are the Jamaican people getting out of this lobby-dobby relationship with the Britain? What are we getting? One, you have to come up with money to get a visa. And you must get it. When them a come here, we pay them bill. When the Prime Minister and the entourage go, the taxpayer Jamaica pay them bill. So in return, what we they get? Because remember, them used to give with this opportunity once, way back, where it's only somebody there to accept we, and we have a plane for our gun. They take that away from us. And we also have to take it in consideration to say these people owe we a lot of repatriation money. Because remember that, your great-great-great-great-great-grandfather go work and build up that. Your great-great-great-great-great-great-great-grandmother go and build up that. You know, giving them money. And out of all of the country them now, that the King is the head of state, I think Jamaica is the only one who still have to get a visa to travel to the United Kingdom. So what are we getting out of this lobby-dobby relationship with the United Kingdom? Guyana now, we not hate for Guyana, we happy for them. We happy for them. See? But they now can travel visa free. And Jamaica still kick back out there, so they look and can't get in. Now you have some ignorant people, You have some ignorant people go come and say, everything what Jamaican then go in and then mash up and then this and that. Tell me which other country in the world want to have rebellious citizen who don't have citizens who are the rob and thief like Jamaica. Tell me. So nobody bring that come to me. No bring that farmer ignorance they come to me. You see what I mean? We great-great-great-great-grandmother go there so and build up that. We great-great-great-great-grandfather them go there so and build up that. We ancestor them build up that. What we get? We don't get nothing. You used to give we where we could have traveled there without visa. You take with that from we. But when you're coming after the country, and we have to pay your bill. When your grandson ready to come back, and we have to pay him bill. When the king ready to come back now, and we have to pay him bill. So who is speaking on behalf of the Jamaican people? Eh? Who is the Jamaican High Commissioner to Britain? Because this is it, Right after the Queen died, the Guyanese people get this breaking news that they can now travel to the United Kingdom for free. Knowing that the Jamaican Prime Minister as well and his entourage was also at the funeral. But we don't get no breaking news from Jamaica. So you have to ask yourself, who is lobbying on behalf of the Jamaican people? Who have the Jamaican people interest at heart? Who want to see the Jamaican people elevate? Who want to see the Jamaican people get opportunity? Because so when they get the opportunity, they go abroad, they work hard, they build themselves up, they build their family up. Win-win for everybody. Who? I don't know. So maybe you're going to have to check the British High Commissioner to Jamaica, Judith Slaughter. You understand? You have to go and run something upon her and ask her what is going on for the Jamaican people. Because obviously the only thing that we are getting from this lobby-dobby relationship with the United Kingdom is deportee. That's the only thing Jamaican can show now that we are getting from the British is deportee. Nothing more. No repatriation. We used to could travel visa free. You take that from we. The only thing that the Jamaican people are receiving now from the British is deportee. This lobby-dobby and cozy relationship with the British and all that we are getting out of this relationship is deportee. You understand? But listen to me, man. As a people and as a nation, we need to stick together and fight for one cause. Start look beyond the surface. You will never know what beyond the surface until you break it. A lot of time we see some mango up on the tree and they are so pretty. And would have fling out with hand if we pick the mango there. And we do pick it. But you see when we bite the mango there and peel the skin there, all that we flinging what we fling out with hand, it was in vain. You know why? Pea worm in the mango. Pea worm in the mango. Why? We were just looking at the surface. It's time for us as a people to start look beyond the surface. As a people, look who is in it for the best interest for us. Who is lobbying on behalf of us. We do so much for Britain. We build it. With 4 parents and build it. And the one thing why you used to give it, bro, we could have traveled there visa free. So somebody on the other side is there to receive us. And we buy we plane fare and we say, yo, and next week, Monday we are coming to get rich, or eat through. And then say, okay, I will dare to receive you. and to take that away from us and flooding us with deportees. And now, your Guyanese to travel to the United Kingdom visa free. And Jamaican is still out there looking in. Jamaican out there now fold them on and a look and can't get in. People, look beyond the surface. On top of the surface at times looking beautiful. But if you just crack it, just a little crack, it will tell you a different story. Much love, and stay tuned to the revolutionists and aromatic, realistic TV. One love, Jamaican. I'm out. Peace.